Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of this stunning 2017 Audi A1 Back Edition. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower while still returning up to 56 miles per gallon. The mileage is just over 42,000 miles and the car's been serviced 3 times. This particular colour is called Daytona Grey and really does look good with the black gloss trim around the car as well. As we have a look inside, in the S-Line, you get the sports seats there, which look really supportive with a half leather and suede trim going up the middle. And you also have the nice perforated steering wheel there as well. In the centre, you've got the multimedia screen that pops out the dashboard, and this car has climate control, cruise control and automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. Here in the 5-door, got good access there into the back with a surprisingly large amount of legroom for a small hatchback. And as you open the tailgate, you see you've got a nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf still in place. And you also have the adjustable floor with some extra storage below as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the glass opening roof there, and the nice diamond cut 18-inch alloys as well, and also the rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.